In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack channel. If you're cleaning up your workspace or removing a channel that's no longer needed, this walkthrough will help you do it confidently and correctly. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting a channel is permanent. All messages and files in that channel will be removed for everyone, and this action can't be undone. Also, the option to delete a channel may only be available to certain roles in your Slack workspace, like owners or admins, so if you don't see the option, you may need to check your permissions. Let's begin by opening the Slack channel you want to delete. Make sure you're looking at the exact channel you intend to remove. It's easy to mix up similarly named channels, so take a second to confirm the channel name and recent messages to avoid any mistakes. Once you're in the right place, look at the very top of the Slack window and click on the channel name. This opens the Channel Details panel, which is where Slack keeps the key settings and information for that channel. Inside this panel, navigate to the Settings tab. This tab is designed to help you manage how the channel behaves and who can access it. Take a quick glance through the options so you understand what's being changed and what will remain unaffected. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the Settings tab. That's where you'll find the option to delete the channel. Slack keeps it at the bottom intentionally so you don't click it accidentally. Select Delete Channel. At this stage, Slack may display a confirmation prompt explaining what deletion means and asking you to confirm. Read it carefully. If you're absolutely sure this is the correct channel and you're ready to remove it for everyone, go ahead and confirm the deletion. If you're on the fence, consider stepping back and double-checking with your team, or explore whether archiving might be a better fit if you simply want to hide the channel without permanently removing its history. And there you go, that's all. To recap in one smooth flow, open the channel you want to remove, click its name at the top to open details, go to the Settings tab, scroll to the bottom, and select Delete Channel. With these steps, you can clean up your Slack workspace thoughtfully and avoid surprises. If you don't see the delete option, you likely need elevated permissions, so reach out to your workspace admins. Thanks for watching, and take care when making changes that affect your team's history.